Getting more organic traffic to your website or blog can turn it into a lead generation and passive income machine. Now to do this, we need high quality niche relevant backlinks. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods you can use to get hundreds of these backlinks at scale completely free. Any one of these 3 methods will get you lots of backlinks, but if you really want to grow your website and really want to see some success with it, make sure to try out all 3 of them. First method is arguably the easiest one, because what we're going to do is we're going to find broken pages on our competitors' websites. We're going to see who's linking to those pages, and then we're going to tell those people that the page they're linking to is broken and offer our website as a replacement for that backlink. Now, if that sounds complicated, don't worry, we're going to get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is come up with a broad search term in your niche. We're going to use the paleo diet in this example. So you would just go to Google and search something like paleo diet and hit enter. I know you want to scroll to page 2 or 3 because the first few pages, they're going to have big SEO teams that will make sure they don't have any broken links on their website. So if it's just if one person's running a blog or maybe 2 or 3, they're going to have some broken pages, and that's what we're going to capitalize. So for an example, we're going to take this one here on page 3 called the paleomom.com, and we're going to copy that URL, and then we're going to jump over to SEMrush. Now you can use this version is completely free. You don't need to pay anything for it. So once you're on SEMrush, what you want to do is come down to Backlink Analytics on the left-hand side and click that. And once that loads up, we just enter the paleomom, hit Analyze. Then we want to click on Index Pages and select Broken Pages. Now we can see a list of all the broken pages on this website. Now what we want to do is find out everybody who's linking to their broken page. So if we scroll down here, we can pick something like, I don't know, managing stress here. So we would select here and see who is linking to it. The 116 under backlinks is going to show you the 116 websites linking to this page, which is now broken. So once this loads up, we can scroll down here and we can see all the websites that are now linking to a broken resource. So all we need to do is open up any of these websites, find the owner of the website, and tell them that the reference that they're linking out to is now broken, and that we on our paleo blog have a similar reference that they could then link to themselves to fix that broken link. And then if we go back to SEMrush, we can see all of these pages that are linking to this broken page. We can email them all. Even if we get 5-10% email and back, most people are going to be happy to fix broken links on their own website, broken outbound links. So you're going to get a lot of easy backlinks using this method alone. And even if you don't have the perfect article to offer these websites as a replacement, you can find one of your current articles on your own website or blog. And you can either make a new article, or you can just add a new paragraph, say, talking about managing stress and how the paleo diet might help with that. And then you'll have something to reference when you email these people and say, here, I have the perfect reference to replace this article that's missing now. So for the second method, we're going to find a way of stealing all of our competitors' backlinks. Now, if there's 5, 10, 20 people ranking above you for a term, they probably have a stronger backlink profile. So if you can take a couple of backlinks off most of these websites, it's going to show Google that you're relevant in this niche and you're a big player as well. So to do that, I'm going to use one of my own websites as an example to show you. The first thing you need to do is find 3 to 5, say, competitors in your niche, and once you get them, come on to SEMrush and then go over to the left-hand side and select Backlink Analytics. And once that loads up, we'll just pop in the URL. As I said, I'll just use my own website for an example here, one of the websites I set up recently, and hit Analyze. Now after that loads up, all we need to do is select Backlinks over here. And when we scroll down, we can see all of the backlinks linking to this website. So we'll just take this one, for example, microstartups.co. Now, I've done this myself when I started this website, a month or 2 ago. I went to look at the competitors. I went to see who was linking to them. And this was one of the companies. So then I just reached out to them myself and said, here, I'm a startup as well. Do you want to feature my website? They said, yes. I got a backlink. Now, if you go through here, you can see there's a bunch of similar websites like websitehunts.co, betalist.com. They all provide backlinks in this niche, and I found that out by going to those competitors and searching their backlink profiles. So you can imagine if you do this, as I said, you can have 3 to 5 competitors, but you can do it with as many as you want, and you can really build up a solid backlink profile in your niche using this method alone. So for this method, we just need Google. What you want to do is you want to type in keyword in URL resources. Now, we're going to use the paleo diet example here as our broad key term if we're trying to rank an article for the paleo diet. So we want backlinks related to that. Now what we would do is we would type in paleo diet in URL resources and hit enter. And when that loads up, all of these websites here you can see, they all have resources in the URL. Why that's good for us is because they're going to be all linking out to the best resources on the internet on this topic. So if we click on this one, for example, the 15 best resources for paleo beginners, and click that. Once it loads up, all we need to do is scroll down and we can see here that is linking out to all of these paleo resources on the internet. So all we need to do is email this company or any of those that showed up on Google there, and we just need to tell them that we have a resource or website with lots of free information about the paleo diet too, and we could ask them if they can add us to these pages, and then we will get a backlink from that as well. And the best part about this method is there's so many pages here on Google, and this is just one broad keyword. You can use any keyword you want, and you're going to find resource pages on the internet for all of them. And all you need to do is just reach out to the owners and say, here, look, here's some free content you can add to your website, and most of them will be more than happy to add you as a backlink. Now that you have 3 methods to get as many backlinks as you need, there's 2 more things you're going to want to do. You're going to want to find the best topics to write about, and you're going to want to write them at scale. On my channel now, I have 2 videos that will really help with this. The first video is going to show you the keywords that you can rank for very quickly, and the second one is going to show you how you can write these articles at scale using AI, and it's also SEO optimized. So make sure to subscribe and go check them out.